Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a Node.js project which is based on the topic chat application. You are going to see many interesting features in this chat application, so stay tuned as you're going to learn many important things, many concepts are going to get cleared, and this is going to be a very fun learning project for you. Let's have a look at the requirements. Here, first VS Code is suggested for a better experience because it's a text editor. It's a no-brainer that we will be needing a text editor. Windows 10 operating system or any other latest version is basically used. This project is based on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js and ExpressJS. And we require certain HTML files, CSS files, JavaScript files and also Bootstrap. So first, we will look the project. So this is what the project looks like. Okay, let me show you one thing. Let me log out first. Here I have logged out and let me create a new account. Let me create a new account. This is Sahil. The username is SHIL. Sahil, I don't want to give any. Let's give Bhatari URL. What do you say? Let's give this. The password is say SAHIL, Sahil only, and the password is SHIL. Let's sign up. So see, an account is created in the name of Sahil. Let's have a channel. The channel name is Sim Sahil. Let's write Sim and Sahil. Okay, and I'm going to add here Simran to this channel. Let's create. See, this is actually a group. A group is created. All the information here is given about the group. Okay, and let's have a direct message. So I'm gonna do a direct message to say Simran. Okay, let's create a message group and let me write, hi Simran, how are you? And let me put a emoji as well. See, this is how you chat, right? This is how you chat. And once let me this is actually Sahil's. Let me go to Simran's account and let's see. Let me go to Simran account. Let me put password. Let's see. So yeah, so we have got a message. Hello yaar, how are you? So, and we can also put different stickers. See, it's really like your what you can call. It's basically like your WhatsApp only. You can put any stickers. You can create groups. See, la 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 la. I've given. You can create groups. You can react to the stickers. See here. I can react to the stickers here also. There's some net issues going on. No problem. And I can forward. I can reply here also. Yay! I am fine. Okay, see, yeah, I'm fine. Now if I want to create a group with, let's say, Sahil, do not have Sahil's group, I think. Yeah, I do not have his name because we created right now, right? That's why. And I can also add some pictures. See, I can also add some pictures here. I can put up, see, this is from the picture I have. Just a minute. I can put this files also, like the attachment which you call. Let me put a picture. Where will I have pictures here? Picture. So let's send it. We'll take some, just look at the timings also. We get the timings also, and here I was telling you the reply thing you got clear. Here there is a reply button. When you click on reply, it shows you the reply, and this is a picture which we have. And we can even delete this message, edit this message, reply. Let's delete. When we delete, it says this message was deleted. Okay, so it basically works like the your WhatsApp. So it's a real-time chat application. So I think you are clear about the project, the look of the project. Now what we are going to do, we are going to look at the code. Hmm, Close it. Yes. So let's move. The name of this project is InstaChat. Let's move at the source first. Let's have a look at the components. These are the JSX files. So in the this is basically the authentication.jsx files where we have the states. So we have imported React, use state from React, cookies from the universal cookie and access from access. Then we have imported the sign in image from assets at signup.jpg. So we have the assets. Under the assets we have called signup.jpg. This part. Have a look. This part will take some time. Yes. So we have imported this. Got it? Then we have this initial constant initial states like full name, username, password, confirm password, phone number, and avatar, which was there in the first like in the first page. This part. Okay. This is a picture, and this is what we have. Got it? Then we have this authentication render function where we have the constant form and set form, and we're going to use a state that is the initial state. Then we have this is sign up and set it sign up, and we have used the state. Then we have the handle change, and we have some targets, values, and name. Then the URL in which we are running is this. Then here we have certain tokens, user ID, password, full name, etc. The avatar names is also there. Then we are setting the cookies here, the token, username, full name, and user ID. And if the sign up is correct, we are getting the phone number, avatar URL, and hashed password. Then reload. Automatically the web page will be reloading. Then we have those class names. See, under division, like division basically what is that? It basically divides your web page into certain sections, certain components. So we have authentication from container fields, from contents. Then we have the sign up and sign in. Then here we'll have the full name text again, and we're gonna have the username. Under one division we have the username, then phone number, then avatar URL, then password, then confirm password, and then you will have to sign in or sign up. When you're creating a new account, you do sign up, no brainer. And when you have already created an account, you just basically sign in. Then we have this export default authentication. Here we have this channels container. In the channels container, we have imported React from React. Then we have imported channel and message stream from the stream chat React. So we have used the stream API here. Okay, this I forgot to tell you. We have also used a API which is a stream API. Then we have the channel container, and we have certain components here like is creating, set is creating, is editing, set is editing, create type, and we have basically the containers here. And here also we set the editing to set is editing. Then here we have the empty state. In the empty state, this is the beginning of your chat history. You can basically send messages, attachment, links, emojis, and more, which I showed you already. When I was explaining you when I was showing you the actual project, we send images, we have sent messages, we sent those images, that is your, what you can call images, links, and also you can send emojis, which I showed you. You can reply to a message, which will create a thread. Then this is done. Then we have, let's go to index.js. In the index.js, what we have done, we have exported all this stuff, the channel container, channel list container, channel search, team channel list. What is channel search? You are going to search the groups. Here channel means what? Groups. Okay, when you're creating a direct message, that is called a single line channel. When you're creating a group of like 10-20 people, that is called a group in WhatsApp, and here we are going to call it a channel. So basically here we have exported everything. Let's move to channel search. In the channel search, what we have imported again React, the states, use effect and use state from React. Then again we have used chat context from stream chat we have imported. Then we have imported the results drop down, and we have imported the search icon. Okay. Then what we have done? Then we have used the use effect. First we have the channel search, in which we are setting the toggle container. So after setting the toggle container, what we have done is we have given the client and set active channel to use chat context, and we have the query set query to use state, then loading and set loading to use state false, then team channels and set team channel to use state, and the direct channels and set direct channels to use state again. Then we have the use effect where we have set the team channels and set the director channels. Then we have the get channels where we have the type which is called team. The name is given as autocomplete text, then members are client.user ID. Here we have the user response, and we have given the client user ID and the text. Then we have set the team channels and direct channels. Then on search we are going to get an event where we have the loading. That set loading is set to be true, and set query is event.target.value. What is that? Under event you have a target, and under target you are going to have a value. It's like a drop down, like when you click on event you have multiple options, you select target, and when you have target you have multiple options, you select value. Then we have a set channel, constant set channel, and we have a channel there, and we are going to set a query, and here we are going to set a active channel which is channel. Then we are going to return every text, and the search type is text, the value will be your query, and on change what you got, what we gave when we are searching, that is on search. Then here is the results drop down, and we have certain like components like the team channels, direct channels, loading, set channel, set query, and set toggle container. Then create channel. Here we basically create a new group, create a new message, create a new thread. So here again imported the same thing. Then imported the user list, close create channel. And then we have the channel name input where we have the channel name and set channel name. Then on handle change we have an event. Then what we have? Channel name input wrapper, and where we have inputted a value called channel name, on change it becomes handle change, and placeholder is channel name. Okay, what is placeholder? The name of the group which you created. Then create channel, we have create type and set is creating, and we have client and set active channel, it's set to use chat context, set selected users and set select users, the state is selected to client user ID, and channel name and set channel name is selected to use state. Then what we have written, this is the same thing repeated, because a new channel is created. When you're going to edit a channel and a new channel is created, that remains basically same. Here only you're going to have the edit option, here you have the new creation option. Okay, so if the create types which I said you, if it is a group, so it will be creating a message group. If you are a direct message you're going to send, that will create a simple channel. Got it? Then we will have the index.js, like the index.js which is not in the component, it is under the source. So we have imported React, then React DOM from React DOM, and app from app, and we have used a render function where we have got the document by element ID, that is root. This is a simple line, right? Let's have a look at the CSS. This is the big CSS file which we have. So this we have written, we got something from Google, we got something from Bootstrap class, because you can't write each and everything. You can understand, right? So here the placeholders value is set, the channel search, the channel creation, every value is set, each and every instant, the image backdrop, the backdrop images, every tiny bit of your project, every tiny bit of the concept, every tiny bit of your website is maintained here. Then this is basically the team message. In team message body you are going to create a group. So in the team, here you import React from React, then you got the message team, the use message context from stream chat React, and you have the handle open thread and message from the message context, and again you go export the default team message. In the team channel you have the all the channels right there, like all the different groups which you create with different people. You can obviously you can be a part of different WhatsApp groups, right? So here you can be part of different channels. So you log in the members, you invite the members, those members join your channel, and you can like work on, you can like send multiple, like whatever you do in the chat application you can do that. So here you set the toggle container, you got the team, the channel preview, the direct preview, and you export the channel previews. So this is basically our project. Let me show you again. Let us sign in. We had created Sahil's. The password also Sahil. Let's see it's correct. Yes, let's sign in. Okay, we are here. So see, I have sent it to Simran. If I sent it to Sim, actually I do not have. Okay, no problem. Let's have this group. In the group also you can chat. You can put your. You can like see. I can reply. Okay, I can send something which I showed you already. These attachments. I can send attachments. Okay, this is because of my network problem is that no problem. Then I can put emojis. Okay, so this is how it works. So it shows me two replies. Let's see. So this is my replies. So I hope this is cool. You understood the working of this project. And for more interesting project ideas, you can stay tuned to this channel. So this is the link which I showed, which we discussed, but I did not show. This is the link. So directly Google. So clear? Thank you and have a great day, everyone.